How to delete browsing history on Chrome in Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to delete browsing history on Chrome in Android. So first thing, just head over to your Chrome, and once you're inside here, just select this three dot icon at the top right corner and simply click on this delete browsing data. So once inside here, you can simply select more option from over here as well, and basically it will show you the statistic of where you want to download the file from. So if I want to download or delete the browsing data or history from, let's say, last 7 days, so I will simply select that category over here, and you may also select all of these cookies or site data, which will obviously signs you out from those sites. And once you select all of these options, just simply click on this delete data from over here, and just like that, your history from that particular time range will be deleted successfully. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.